Today we are having this live video. It's regarding an unboxing video. Okay, so what I have right now is, can you show what's that thing, please? Okay, so this is the one, the big box from NYX Professional Makeup Malaysia. Okay, so this is from NYX for the NYX Fest Awards Malaysia 2018 Top 30. Yes, I am top 30 contestants. So yes, thank you so much and I feel so blessed. Okay, so let's see what I got from the box here. Okay, are you ready?
Ooh. Oh, hello. This is something new.
What a cute box. Nice packaging. So I think we can see clearly from out here. So let's take it out one by one.
I wonder what's inside. Look. Some pink ribbon for you to tie your hair with and stuff. There we go. I don't know, you can explain.
Okay,
those.
so this is, what is this? This is Raphael Retaliate. Shampoo. This is actually a shampoo. Okay, shampoo for Red Can. Thank you for the sponsor, Red Can. Thank you for sponsoring towards the, what you call this competition, NYX Fest Awards 2018. Thank you so much. Next.
Thank you, Red Can again.
Okay, Red Can. This is Bossy Cream. Air Styler, easy dry, natural style, no product feel. So I guess this is a hair cream. Thank you, Red Can. Thank you so much. So if I don't use this, my husband can use this.
Woohoo! Alright.
So next sponsor, the company who sponsored towards to the competition is Garnier Malaysia. Thank you so much, Garnier Malaysia. These are serum masks for super hydrating pinkish glow tissue mask. Next. What's the next one?
Garnier stuff.
Okay, yeah. So this is not yogurt sleeping mask from Garnier Malaysia. Thank you so much. Okay, and then this one is the multi-action whitening serum cream. Okay, so this is a cream and this is a mask. Okay, next.
Same thing, Garnier. This one concentrated anti-spot whitening. Yes, sealing.
This is the cleanser. And this is essence.
Coral
Wow,
white.
got so many stuff from Garnier actually. Yeah? Okay, so this is the essence lotion. Oh, lotion. Wow, so unique. This look like a watery gel.
Slime.
Slime. Yes, looks like a slime.
Okay.
Yeah. Next sponsorship is from Lazada. I think everyone knows what's Lazada, right? So
No, I don't know. Tell me what's the...
You know Lazada. Okay, so this is the discount voucher. 50 ringgit off discount voucher. Thank you, Lazada. Thank you so much. Next.
NYX Total Control Total Drop Foundation.
Okay, so these are from NYX. Okay, NYX Professional Makeup. These are drop foundation. These are the famous watery liquid foundation. Okay, so the dark shade is the shade called TCD16. TCD16. Okay, the darker shade, and the lighter shade is TCDF02. TCDF02. Okay, it's a drop foundation. velvety smooth. Okay, next.
Next, we have something from NYX again, glitter primer.
NYX glitter primer. Do you know what's glitter primer? Before you put on your glitter, you have to put on this one, the primer, so it will stick on. The glitter can stick on. Alright?
Okay.
Okay.
Next, Vid Brights. I guess this is some sort of eyeliner.
Yes. This
There you go.
is liquid liner. You can put anything. It actually is for eye, but for me, when I do like creative makeup, I usually do any arts or any drawing with this. I really like this one. Okay, so this is a NYX Vivid Bright in shade of what color is it? Sapphire. So sapphire is something like that. Yeah.
Next, NYX again, but this is for people with jumbo eyes. Jumbo pencil.
Yes, this is jumbo pencil. This is in shade pure gold. Alright, pure gold. Wow, very nice gold. Nice gold.
Well, we have NYX again, Cosmetics Metal Lip Cream.
Okay, I'm telling you this is very good. But if you like Daylirn makeup, so go for this one. Okay, thank you so much.
Next one, Vivid Brights from NYX as well. This is some sort of cream color.
Yes. I wanted to buy this for so long already, but I couldn't buy this one because they don't have stock yet. Last year they don't have. So now it seems like they have in stock already. So I'm gonna buy a few shades color from NYX. So this is yellow color. So because I wanted to use this for face painting. Can you see that? Yes, this is eyeshadow pigment. But for creative makeup arts, you can use this for any black on your face or on your body as well. Can. Okay, thank you so much for the sponsors from Lazada, NYX, Garnier Malaysia, Rectan. That's the stuff that we have in the box. All of it, the value is 500 ringgit value. Yes, they are 500 ringgit value. Thank you so much. This is the prizes for NYX Fest Awards Malaysia Top 30. I'm so blessed. Thank you so much, and I'm very hopefully that I can enter to top 15 contestants. So I really need your support, and you must vote me. I don't remember when, but it will be early of May. Okay, vote. I will share the link. Don't forget to vote. Okay. So other than that, there also other sponsors I want to mention here. Other than Lazada, NYX, Garnier Malaysia, Rectan, there are also other sponsors from Audio Network, Butterfly Project, Beauty Bespoke, Cupcat Images, and Makeup Miracles. Thank you for the sponsor. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. And
Don't forget to share.
don't forget to share, follow my page, like my page, and don't forget to follow my Instagram, Daylirn Designs, DAYLIRN DESIGNS. Follow my
Forgot another thing.
follow my Instagram page and
Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel.
yes, YouTube channel as well. And I also have Twitter. Okay, Daylirn Designs have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So don't forget to follow, and you can see my artworks as well for updating my artworks or my previous artworks. Okay? Thank you so much for your support, and see you again next time. Bye!